Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you how to represent root 3 on the number line. Okay, in this video I'll be also teaching you how to construct the perpendicular, okay, with the help of a compass. Okay, so let us begin. First of all, we are going to draw a line, so we'll write it down. Draw x bar and mark O as 0 on it. Fine. And again we are going to deal with root 3. So if we take 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit, तो बहुत ही छोटा बनेगा. Okay, so we'll try to make it like 3 centimeter or maybe 2 centimeter as 1 unit. Fine, so let us quickly draw the line. Okay, I am taking 3 centimeter as 1 unit. Okay, three centimeter as 1 unit. Then I'll be teaching you how to construct a perpendicular. If you have a protractor, you can use that. Okay, see, take 3 centimeter as 1 unit. So this is my 1 unit. Okay, like this. Fine. Now this 1 unit, I'm going to mark it like this. Okay, okay, now I want to make a perpendicular bisector for this one. So what I'll do, I'll take okay, so with the same measurement I'm going to make 3 cuts over here. This is 60 degree, okay, this is 120 degree, and then this is 180 degree. Okay, now what we have to do, this is already 60 degree and this is also 60. So if we can make a bisector over here also like this, and then from this, okay, then we can construct a perpendicular bisector. Okay, this is 90 degree. Fine. Now what will be the next step? As this is 1 unit we have taken, so this is 1 unit and this is also 1 unit. Now our next job is to connect these 2 points over here. Fine. So okay, so this is 1 and this is 1, so this hypotenuse will be root 2. Fine. Now the question comes, I'll explain you the theory. We know about the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if we consider this one, for example, if this is A, O, and let this be B. So this is AOB and this is perpendicular. Fine. So in right triangle AOB, AB square will be OA square plus OB square. Okay, so this will be 1 square plus 1 square. So this is 1 plus 1 and this is root 2. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. Now this is root 2. Okay, and we want to represent a root 3. This is the base that we wanted. Okay, now the next step will be, we'll be plotting 1 unit over here. Okay, so let us see how we can do that. Perpendicular bisector over here. So I'm just taking little half of this one. Okay, doesn't matter the length, then simply draw like this. Now make a cut over here. This is 60, this is again 60, half of this will be 30. Okay, so we have created okay, so we have created 90 degree over here. Now we need to make sure, like 1 unit we have taken 3 centimeter. Okay, now so we'll just cross check. Obviously it's not going to be the same because we have changed the measurement. okay, just to prepare the 90 degree. So here it is, okay, this side. So this is our 1 unit. So our next step will be to join this point with this point, okay. So this is 1 unit, fine, and this is root 2. So if I calculate, let me give this name AB and let this be C, okay. So in right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. In this angle O equals to 90 degree, fine. Now we want to know the measurement of AC. So AC square will be AB square plus BC square. What is my AB? AB is root 2 the whole square. What is my BC? 1. We know this root 2 and square will get cancelled out, so सिर्फ 2 बाहर आएगा and this will be 1. Okay, so this is 3. So ultimately what will happen? This AC square is 3. Therefore AC will be root 3. Understood? Root 3 आ गया. That means what this measurement is root 3. Okay. So our next job is, if you want to plot this measurement on the number line, we'll take like this, put it on A and C, and then this point is root 3. Okay, let this point be D. So we can write like this, the point D, represents, so point D represents root 3 on this line. I hope you have understood this sum.